we introduced the Delem DA-66T CNC controller for our press brakes. This advanced tool takes sheet metal bending to the next level and is available on our machines. Let's start with the user interface. The Delem DA-66T boasts a large 17-inch color touchscreen, ensuring easy operation and intuitive navigation. With gesture support and graphical data presentation, programming and monitoring the bending process is significantly simplified. With graphical programming and a 3D preview, operators can visualize the bending process in 3 dimensions. This feature minimizes the risk of errors and enables quick corrections, ensuring precision and accuracy. The Delem DA-66T offers advanced CNC functions, including automatic bending sequence calculation, table deflection compensation, known as crowning, and collision detection, all of which enhance safety and accuracy during operation. An extensive library of tools and materials enables quick selection of suitable bending parameters for various applications. Operators can also create and save their own configurations, streamlining their workflow. The controller can be expanded to incorporate functions compatible with various CAD/CAM systems, facilitating seamless integration with your existing solutions. Additionally, the capability to import pre-made bending programs directly into the controller further enhances workflow optimization. The multi-axis operation enables precise control over the most complex bending processes. The Delem DA-66T supports programming and independent control of up to 9 axes, offering exceptional flexibility and accuracy in production. Remote monitoring and diagnostics allow for quick problem resolution and minimized downtime. Operators can monitor the press brakes performance from anywhere with an internet connection. Advanced safety features, including collision detection, interlock systems, ACA's laser protection, and an ergonomically designed user interface, minimize the risk of operator error and ensure safety during operation. In addition to its core features, the Delem DA-66T includes several minor functions that simplify the tasks of programmers and operators. These features encompass a multilingual interface, quick creation of bending programs, built-in calibration tools, real-time previews, easy program copying and editing, screen personalization, operation history tracking, advanced search capabilities, support for various file formats, seamless software updates, and built-in help. The Delem DA-66T controller is an advanced and versatile tool that greatly simplifies and enhances the press brake bending process. It makes sheet metal bending more precise, efficient, and safe.